going on, guys? We're back with another video. Today's finally the day we're going to be starting up the 289 that we dropped into the 65 Fastback for the first time. Not only is it the first start, but we're also breaking in the Flat Tappet Camshaft, which means we have to take special precautions to make sure we don't wipe all the lobes, which we're going to be running it right off the bat at 2,000 RPMs and then alternating between 2,000 and 5,000, just so we know enough oil is circulating around in the engine, just so we don't have any dry spots. We already primed the engine. We spun the oil shaft and made sure we're getting oil to all the rockers. We already have coolant, we have fuel in the tank, we have the transmission on it has fluid as well, and yeah, let's get this thing started. I hope this is the right hole. Oh, I don't even fit in here. I doubt it should get that hot. Oh. Quit laughing, it makes me nervous. Fuck, man. That's secure. That's secure. Perfect. I don't want to get off this thing. Stupid. Really, bitch? Alright. Rough. So, you're going to check out for leaks and any weird sounds. I'll be monitoring these for the first, and then whatever we do, we'll adjust. Okay. You're hitting it? Okay. Go back.
I'm gonna stop it.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna get these out the way, dude.
One more time. On the thing. Go again.
1, 2.
What?
Dude, you're getting cold, bro. Yeah, they have 2 vacuum leaks right here.
I'm watching that.
Kick it back.
What?
So much better.
Something's leaking?
Yeah. almost
that's
30
all right.
minutes. That's the break-in.